Hello, my name is Valentina Valencia. Today is 24th, 2019. Next I present the activity. Comparative chart. SAC Business Want. Owner. European Society, founded in Waldorf, Germany. Technical description. System application produced in data processing. Is a computer system that allows companies manage their human resources. Financial accounting, production, logistics, and more. Price. Professional user lines $3,213, and one is required for each user that will use the system. Payment terms. Immediate payment is required to install the software. Oracle NetSuite. Owner. Filial Oracle Corporation, founded in California, United States. Technical description. NetSuite is an Oracle Cloud-based ERP software that allows companies to optimize business process and scale fast-growing businesses. NetSuite integrates and automates key functional areas such as financial management, revenue management, inventory management, order management, billing, e-commerce, and CRM. Price. Professional user lines $3,000, and one is required for each user that will use the system. Payment terms. Immediate payment is required to install the software. 1. Sector. SAP. Enterprise Resource Planning. Oracle. Database Management System. 2. Functionality. SAP. Real-time management of business process. Oracle. Manage data in enterprise. 3. Languages. SAP. SAP ERP runs on ABAP language. Oracle RDBMS is accessible via SQL. Definition. SAP ERP provides of tools to facilitate information flow in business. Oracle RDBMS is multi-model database management system. Key area. SAP ERP is application database. Oracle RDBMS is just plain database with no application. Functional area. SAP Sales Distribution Accounting. Oracle Data Warehousing Transaction Processing Database Workloads. 7. Product. SAP ER3. Oracle Database 18 is. Cost. SAP ERP implementation cost is considered higher. Oracle RDBMS implementation cost is lower as compared to SAP ERP. Conclusión: digital transformación en Colombia. In Colombia, business technology growth has increased. However, it is the medium and multinational companies that can more easily access the ports of large software, such as those investigated in the activity. Microenterprise and small businesses, due to their level of profit, have less accessibility to this type of technology resource, since they are very expensive and requesting a lot of investment. What causes to be competitively delayed in the digital transformation. Thank you.